Hi everyone, I have a fun coloring haul today and I'm so excited to share with you some of the things that I've bought over the last couple of months. Some of them I've already dove into and already using because I couldn't wait to use them. The first thing that I bought is the Small Victories Johanna Basford coloring book, and I bought this one because it's a smaller size and we're going on vacation in a few days, so I wanted to take a book with me, but I didn't want to take one of the larger size books, so I bought this one to take with me and I'm so excited to color in it. I love her coloring pages. She is by far my favorite coloring book artist because she gets it. She understands the paper quality. She knows about what images people want to color. And she even does smaller size coloring books, which I absolutely love. This next book I sort of thought of on my own because I was always using scrap paper to test the marker color before I actually colored on my page. So I found these little books at the Five Below store. I love strawberries. This book has blank pages in it. It has cute little embroidered strawberries on the front. And all I do is just keep this with me close by when I'm coloring. And if I need to test a marker color, I just kind of swipe it on the page. And if I need to make any little doodles or anything like that, this book's handy close by and I love using it. I found this Route 66 coloring book at a local discount store called Ollie's. They have tons of coloring books and sometimes they even have leftovers from Hobby Lobby. But I found this book because it would take me out of my comfort zone coloring cars and different nature scenes and travel scenes. And so for $3.99 I thought, this will give me something different to be creative too. So I love this little book. I haven't colored in it much yet. I've colored maybe 2 pages so far, but it's definitely something different. This next coloring book, I found it at a thrift store and I was pretty excited because it's the Creative Haven brand of coloring books. It only has 1 page sort of colored in it and the rest of the pages are just fine, no other coloring in them. And I got it for 75 cents, so I thought it was perfect. Autumn's coming up, so it'll give me a chance to color some fall themed pages. And at a different thrift store, I came across this Crayola metal tin. It was empty, but I loved it because of the bright colors on the front of it, and I thought, if nothing else, I'll set that on my coloring bookshelf just to add some pop of color. Now, this tin is vintage. It's from the 90s. I only paid 50 cents for it, but when I got to looking it up on eBay, it's selling anywhere from $10 to $30. Now, that's not to say it will actually sell at that price, but for now, I'm going to keep it on my coloring shelf and just enjoy the colorful picture on the front. And this next set of colored pencils, I don't have any of this brand, but I treated myself to go along with my new coloring book, Small Victories. I needed some colored pencils to take to the beach as well, and I thought this smaller set that was in this metal tin would be perfect to carry with me as I traveled and color at the beach. And these colored pencils also came with a little pamphlet that gave some tips on different types of shading and coloring, so that was very interesting to read and learn a few things that I didn't know about. At Hobby Lobby, I found this small set of acrylic markers. This was my first experience getting acrylic markers. I'm not sure if I'm going to like them or not. I've just used them on maybe 2 different pages so far. Next, I have a few more items from the Five Below store. This watercolor set of markers, and of course they were only $5. And I thought this would give me a chance to experiment with coloring using a little bit of watercolor. This set has 10 watercolor markers and then 3 of the water brush pens. Next is another set of markers from Five Below, and these are blending markers, and there's a total of 16 in this set, and it comes in a very nice metal tin. This set of colored pencils, that is watercolor, also came from Five Below for $5, and it's got quite a few colors in it. I hope you've enjoyed my coloring haul today, and I had so much fun sharing it with you. And I hope some of these items will help inspire you on your own coloring journey.